For more than 50,000 years before British and Dutch colonization of Australia, more than 500 distinct Aboriginal groups formed, each with its own language and culture. Today, Aboriginal Australians make up only about 3% of Australia's population. You can learn a little bit about Aboriginal culture from museums like Cairns Art Museum, but by taking a bus an hour northwest of downtown Cairns, you can visit a place and learn about an Aboriginal group of people known as the Tjapukai. Have a few demonstrations. They have fruits and medicines, which is where I am now. They have weapons and they have didgeridoo, which is amazing to watch the didgeridoo because the guy who does it does something called circle breathing, which is something I've always wanted to do when I used to play saxophone in the band, where you breathe in through your nose while you're breathing out through your mouth. So it's basically a circle, and that's how they're able to keep that steady tone on the didgeridoo without breaking for a breath.
Yeah, more flicking, one more flicking. Yeah!
So you can practice throwing boomerangs here and you can throw spears, but my favorite thing is spear throwing. So for lunch, I decided to get one of the upgrades to get a kangaroo burger. Continue my theme of exotic burgers after my camel burger I had in Dubai. And the burger smells really good. It has like seasoned salt on the top, so the bun's really good. So let's see what it tastes like. So the burger itself is really good. Has a lot of fresh veggies in it, like carrot and cucumber and tomato and lettuce and onion, and it's drowned in barbecue sauce. I'm sure you want to know what the kangaroo meat tastes like. I like it actually, it's very good. It has a very deep, rich, sort of bacon flavor, sort of a smoky bacon flavor, and it's very savory. And it almost has like a organ meat quality and that kind of savoriness, and it's really good. Ground up, it's very tender, and the way they have it prepared in the burger with all the fresh vegetables and the barbecue sauce, it really works. This park is a little expensive to visit. I think it was like $60 Australian, so maybe like $45 USD, but all the money goes to support the Aboriginal people and culture here, and I think that's just great.